All right, so this is the first time we need to add oil after the oil change with the Restore and Protect. It's been 2,500 miles since the oil change, and we're down about a quart. That's not terrible because it used to be almost needing a quart every 1,000 miles or so, which is definitely not any good. 2,500, I can live with that, but it also could start improving more over time here as time goes on. So the hood here, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil and go from there. So put her up. Let's take a look in here. Can't really see, it's nighttime, so use the headlights here. That's good. Alrighty, we're gonna check our oil level here really quick, see where we're at. Just to show where we're at before we add. Come on, get in there. Turn on, level ground. Let's take a gander here. So, it does not want to focus very well. Get a pretty clear shot there. So it's right at the add bar. And the oil still looks pretty golden, so that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and stick that bad boy back in there, one-handed. And we'll add a quart of oil here. Add our cap off here. We have our Restore and Protect 520. This is actually a brand new bottle here. This car actually takes about 10 quarts, so it takes 2 of these. So I keep an extra one here. And we're going to go ahead and drop in and put about a quart in here. Okay. That's just the ABS charging back up, guys. Okay, let's see where this is at. Let's get some light here. It's about a quart. Good. Okay. We'll double check our oil level now. And we're right in the money now. Sorry, my camera does not want to focus right now. So I put a quart in there. It's right back up to the full bar. It's 2,500. Still more than I would like, but better than it has been. So again, a couple more oil changes with the Restore and Protect, and I think we will clear out whatever garbage is in there. Go ahead and click on the description here, and in the description I'm going to have a link for Valvoline's website, and on the website they offer the oil on a subscription basis, which I just found out about it, which is really cool. One of the comments on one of my previous videos, thank you very much. I apologize, I don't know your name, but you can subscribe and you can put any amount of months you have. So if you change your oil once every 3 months, subscribe once every 3 months, and you can actually get, a quart, 2 of these 5 quarts for like $60, and then they give you a 20% discount. So you're getting it substantially cheaper than at the store. Or if you're a big guy, a big oil user like me with multiple vehicles that you're doing oil changes on quite a bit, you can buy their 5-gallon box for, it's like $112, but with the 20% discount, it's like $90. So subscribe to that, and you save 20% at $90. You're really saving it. You get equivalent of 4, so it's about 22. Wait, what is that? Yeah, 23, about $23 or $22 a jug instead of the 30, and you get a box. And then what I usually do is keep one of these, and then I use that box and I just refill this as needed, so I know how much oil I'm putting in. But also, you don't have a bunch of these jugs sitting around. You just have one box and you refill it as necessary. So guys, go ahead into the description here, click on that link. I am not sponsored. They do not tell me, hey, we're going to give you money if you do this or whatever. I'm just giving you guys the information as I get it, because I am a firm believer in this so far, and I have every reason to recommend them. So like, subscribe, share, comment, and we're trying to grow the page. We're almost on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and really honestly we'll do something special, do some sort of giveaway once we get to 1,000. So thanks again for watching. Have a great night.